We are back for another trading session. And I got some good news yesterday. We won our trade, and I'm excited about that because we steady winning. We steady winning. Let's take a look at where we at, and I'll show you guys what's going on with that. And let's see. Yesterday we won right here, the 21st, 234. 234, guys. This is where we at. Our biggest day was this one. But yesterday we made up for this loss right here. 2 days in a row. This is the first time I won 2 days in a row. So let's keep that consistency going. And I did one trading day in March, which was 338. So we got 1,200 left to pass this funded account. No, I'm sorry, 1,800 left to pass this funded account. 1,800, y'all. Let's do it. We can do it. Let's check and see where we at right now. All right. We got all our alerts in. We got our full analysis down here. 4 hours bearish and a 1 hour is bearish. This might be something. Because right now, it's pushing down right now for gold. Daily structure remains bullish though, with clear higher highs and higher lows intact. 4 hours has turned bearish with lower lows and lower highs forming. 1 hour confirms bearish bias with clean lower high, lower low pattern. Alright, guys. So let's see the alerts that we got. And look at we here. Let's go down. Go below this line. We in motion. Go below this line. We in motion. Let's see what euro. I'm hoping euro go down too. We in motion. Let's look at the NAS 100. NAS 100, they playing. They towing. Look, they towing on the line. They towing on the line. But we wanted to look. They towing on the line. Look, they towing on the line. We wanted to go up. Well, let's see what the day. This is bullish right here. Let's see what the 4 hour is. I wonder why they ain't telling me. That's strange, guys. That's strange. It's okay. We'll figure that out. All right, it's right there, bullish. But why it ain't coming up on the 1 hour? Is it just not loading? Okay, we'll go back to that, guys. Alright, pushing over the line. We pushing over the line. See what my indicators, man. What's going on, man? There we go. There we go. Oh, it ain't coming up. Don't know why, but we're going to have to deal with that later, man. We're going to deal with that later. Alright. Let's get below the line. It looks like everybody's downtrending right now. Going on the downtrend. Silver too. We ain't even gonna worry about S&P, y'all. We ain't even gonna worry about it. What's Bitcoin doing? We need Bitcoin to going up. They created a new high right there, 78. Man, I remember when Bitcoin was all the way down like the 50-9. Look at that shit. Bitcoin was all the way down here, y'all. That shit climbed right back up. Yeah, what we got for Ethereum? Uh-oh, Ethereum pushing on the line. They pushing. Alright. I see you. So we're going to come back around 8:55 to check them out and see where we at. We back. It looks like Ethereum is going to close above it. And it looks like Bitcoin is going to close above it. And I think US30 and US30. We got 3 tiers unlocked, baby. All going long. They all going long. So US30, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And it is go time. Go time, baby. Alright, 24. Let's do Bitcoin first. No, let's do US30 first. US30. They did long at yeah. 49,776. 49,776. 49,776. 49,776. All right. Now let's do Bitcoin, which did 79,355. 79,355 for Bitcoin. 79,355. Alright. Got tier 1 for that one. And let's go to Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum. And Ethereum did, damn, they already went down that shit. Ethereum did 2436. 2436. Alright, we got 3 tiers in. Let's go look at our grades. We got Ethereum, which gave us a 65% anyways. US30. And now we got a Bitcoin. So we all good. So let's see what happens on tier 2. And I'll be back at 9:55. Tier 2 has confirmed with Bitcoin. Right here. 79,520. So we putting that in. Sorry guys, just booked the flight. 79.20. Where we at? Bitcoin. What was it? 79,515. Oh, do it manually. Place manually. I'm gonna stop this, guys. I am in this trade right here. This is US30. I have a trade in for Bitcoin. It hasn't retested. It has to come down and touch this and go back up. That's my objective. And yeah, I'm in this trade right here. That's what I like to see. A positive. And we just got to close above that. So now we need to do, what did this close at? Tier 1 close. All right, so that closed at 47.54 for gold. Let's go to gold. 47.54. Short. 47.54. Tier 1 has confirmed. All right, what else we got? They confirmed at 26,972. 26,972. 26,972. And now I'm gonna put in what's the name for this one. Place manually. Limit 26,972. Take profit 2,700. And then I am going to do my stop loss at 26,500. And I have to change this to 1. Whoa. The risk to reward is crazy. Gosh. 26,500. Jesus, bro. That's a lot, man. 26,902. 26. Oh, okay, that's a little better, but Jesus, still 26,902. 2,700, 100, then 26,500. I'll do it. Why not? So I got S&P didn't hit. Still up on that. Got in for that. Oh, this closed too, guys. Euro USD closed at 1.1748. 1.1748. 1.1748. 1.1748. All right, we got a lot in, guys. Let's look at what all we got in. Man, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in. We got 6 tiers in, guys. 6 tiers on me. All right, cool. I gotta make sure. Hold on. Take a picture of that. All right, I'll be back around 10:25. Gold has closed below this line twice. I did a retest right here, so we're gonna see how that plays out. Let's see what else we got. Nothing for this one, nothing for euro. We still got a buy limit in here for NAS 100, and then US30. So looks like we have 25. Silver didn't do anything. S&P 500 didn't do anything. We got a order in here too, and then Ethereum didn't do anything as well. Or actually, oh no, I got to close below this line. I'm sorry, I got to close above this line and below this line. So never mind. So it looks like we got 4 in so far. We got gold, NAS 100, US30, and Bitcoin. So we got 4 in so far. We shall see how that plays out. I am going to bed. I'll catch y'all later. And see how it plays out. See how it plays out, y'all. This has to stay up. Alright, peace. We are in a negative, but it's okay. I was down like almost $400. Well, damn near, yeah, $400 something. It was all I got in right there and right there, so I was down a lot, and now it's coming back. And in gold, I am negative 56, and I will let you know where it closes at after that. I am currently negative $140, and the oil market closes in 30 minutes, I believe, or about 45 minutes. So I'm just let it run and see where it goes from there. But that's where we at. All right, guys, we lost that trade today. We lost $326 on my my funded futures account and $285 on Apex. So we took an L today, but that's okay. We'll come back tomorrow and Friday and bounce back. Peace.